Starting around 02 November 2023, Axie boundlessness sort of is exchanging at $5.57 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.33% in most recent 1 hour in a significant way. Axie generally has a sort of all-out market cap of $789,688,365, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $90,846,377, which really is genuinely critical. This for the most part makes Axie vastness, Axie, essentially positioning at 53 in the digital currency market in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Axie vastness cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Axie limitlessness truly be fundamentally worth in 2023, which sort of is genuinely critical. Is Axie vastness a generally excellent speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Axie's cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which truly is genuinely huge? These certainly are our Axie endlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness, Axie, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie cost really is supposed to fundamentally cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $7.10, the normal certainly least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to especially be $6.80 in a sort of large manner. Besides, Axie can in a real sense arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $7.73 in a very significant manner. Axie's value figure August 2023, with respect to August 2023, Axie endlessness sort of is supposed to really arrive at in every practical sense, least value worth of $5.77 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Axie's cost could sort of arrive at an especially greatest cost of $6.49, with the really normal cost around $6.31. Axie endlessness value forecast September 2023, the cost of Axie vastness sort of is in a real sense anticipated to basically reach at a very least worth of $6.20 in September 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Axie's cost could for the most part arrive at an especially greatest worth of $6.81, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, certainly further appearance how the Axie's cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $6.81, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $6.44 all through 2023, which really is very huge. Axie boundlessness, Axie, value expectation October 2023, concerning October 2023, Axie vastness cost in every practical sense is estimate to sort of arrive at a practically the least cost of $6.33, exhibiting that Axie's value conjecture August 2023, with respect to August 2023. Axie endlessness in a real sense is supposed to for the most part arrive at any rate value worth of $5.77 in a by and large significant manner. The Axie's cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $7.06, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $6.57, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie's value gauge November 2023, the Axie limitlessness estimate for November 2023 expects that the Axie may really arrive at in every practical sense greatest worth of $7.39, with a sort of least cost of around $6.59 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Discussing the really normal value Axie can basically stretch around $6.83 for November in an unpretentious manner. Axie endlessness, Axie, value figure December 2023, for December 2023, the cost of Axie limitlessness is especially anticipated to essentially arrive at a kind of typical cost of $7.10, while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $7.73 and a genuinely least of $6.80. Kind of additional appearance how the Axie's cost could explicitly arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $7.06, with the typical expected cost around $6.57, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie limitlessness truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Axie Infinity S cost fundamentally has shown a decent increment of 5.17% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which certainly is very critical. From most recent 7 days, the axis explicitly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 15.3%, showing how axis value gauge November 2023. The Axie limitlessness estimate for November 2023 expects that the axis may for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $7.39 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $6.59, which certainly is genuinely huge. Axie vastness most certainly has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential recently, and this could be decent, an open door to dive right in and most certainly put resources into an especially large way especially. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of axes truly diminished by 40.737%, dispensing with an astounding in every practical sense normal amount of $3.83 from its all things considered current worth. Exhibiting how Axie vastness basically has shown exceptionally kind of solid truly potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to generally dive right in and contribute truly in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin really is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be an especially decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for sort of speedy venture, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change essentially is near 52.52%. And the cost generally flowed from a base in every practical sense, normal cost of $10.80 to especially greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of $12.31 in the fundamentally beyond 90 days in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness basically is somewhere around 16.24%, with the exceptionally greatest fundamentally normal cost of the coin by and large was around $6.96, and the genuinely least by and large normal cost of for the most part was around $6.76 in kind of beyond 4 months, or so they sort of thought. Axie limitlessness value figure 2023 facts. What will in every practical sense be Axie endlessness really worth in 2023, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? The axis cost truly is estimated to generally arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $7.73, with exceptionally least cost of $6.80 toward the finish of 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Does Axie boundlessness essentially have a future, really, as opposed to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Axie vastness has an exceptional fundamentally potential to especially arrive at new levels, showing that Axie boundlessness, axis, value expectation 2023, as per the Axie limitlessness figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the axis cost especially is supposed to basically cross an especially normal value level of $7.10, the normal genuinely least value worth of Axie boundlessness, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to generally be $6.80 in an unobtrusive manner. It by and large is conjecture that axes will increment in esteem, exhibiting how the axes value sort of is gauged to for the most part arrive at a truly greatest degree of $7.73, with exceptionally least cost of $6.80 toward the